Okay.
Yes.
So when we start as a clone, we add the X position to enemy bullets, the Y position, and the direction. And then we create a clone of enemy projectiles or the bullets, right?
Okay.
Now, in the enemy projectiles, when it starts as a clone, it shows and then it does the set position block. Here, this is what it does. It goes to item one of, let me open this there. So here
Sir,
is enemy bullets. And let me,
sir, can I leave me?
yes, you can leave, Hamad. So this is the X position. The first item is the X position. The second item is the Y position, and the third
Okay.
item the direction. So we point into the point in. We go to the first position. We go to X first position. Yeah, we go to X item one of enemy bullets.
Okay, bye,
Y
sir.
item. Allah Hafiz, Hamad. Y
Allah
item.
Hafiz.
So we then go to Y and item 2 of enemy bullets, and then we point in a direction of item 3 of enemy bullets.
Okay.
Then
Yeah, okay.
we delete each one of these, and then after that we just repeat until touching it. We move 5 steps, and if we touch the player, we change player SP by -1. Then delete the clone. If we don't touch the player and we touch the edge, then we delete the clone over here.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Let me stop sharing. You try doing this.
Okay. You just. Okay. Let me try. So. Um.
You can share your screen so I can see your
Ah,
what you're
yes.
doing.
Okay. See my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay, so add this.
We do this in the what's it called? The enemy sprite.
Yeah, X position,
Y
Y
position
position,
and
and
direct.
direction.
Yeah, this list is for all sprites, right?
Whoa, what? What
So
is this?
so this is the X position, this is the Y position, and this is the direction. That's what happened. You
Okay.
should put this into the enemy sprite,
Ah,
the enemy that wants to shoot. Okay.
that means I can delete it from
Yeah.
the bullet.
Yes. Now let's
Yeah.
go to enemy. Uh,
Yes.
so where is your clone made?
My clone is made here.
Okay. When I start as a clone, they go to when I start as a clone. Is this the only script or is there more scripts?
There are many more scripts. This
Oh,
one,
that's a lot.
and I
That's
think there's one more. Yeah. All
uh
of these. Yeah, these
okay.
ones.
So over here in the middle, I think you would add this. Yeah, in the middle here. So add it here.
Okay.
Now, if you go to the bullet sprite now,
Yeah.
so go to variables and now just scroll down to lists. Yes. So now drag item 1 of bullet shooting. Yeah. And now item 1 of bullet shooting and item 2 as well.
Item 2.
Yes. With the
And
direction,
here.
the direction will always be pointing down, right?
Uh. I made. Yeah, it will always point down because
Yeah.
they
So
will. I will make it them turn, but I will always point to the
yeah,
player
point always to
down.
the player. So
Yeah.
over here you would like put point to player. You should make this a clone.
What?
No, no.
Yes. Uh,
Yes, so now like when I started
And height. Oh my.
uh, undo. Yeah, so
So when I
when I
receive,
when I start as a clone,
yeah, but I made a second level. So when the second level starts, so they do the shooting.
it only does it in the second level. Got it. Okay. Uh,
Or maybe I think
no,
three will
no.
be good.
This no, okay. Wait. Let me think. The problem is you're like this game that Surprise made. It's not that good in the code. The code is not that good. It's using like 50 broadcasts. Uh,
Hmm.
like sometimes like a broadcast for score increase. Instead, you can just instantly increase the score instead of broadcasting it. Um,
Yeah, I
how
made that.
I mean, how would we do this when I receive wave two? You
When
will
I receive wave two,
no like
and
you want them to go to the position of the like we will create we would usually create the clone in the enemy sprite. The enemy will create a clone of the player.
was
Oh,
the
sorry, not
player
the player. No, sorry, the bullet. It will create a clone of the enemy bullet.
enemy enemy
Yeah,
bullet. Okay.
so uh, I don't know how we can do this.
When I wait
Start translate
and wait like this maybe create clone of.
of bullet.
I didn't
Sprite,
name
sprite.
it. I
Yeah.
remember I didn't name it. Enemy bullet. Let me just name it.
Let me think how you do this. I okay, I think you will have to like create some variable, create like a variable of uh like wave two wave something like that. Create a variable of the level, like for all sprites.
The variable of the level.
Yeah, like what level this is, or like what wave this is, wave
Ah,
one,
okay,
wave
okay.
two.
Uh, so let me create a
For all sprites.
yeah for all right.
Okay, and go to when is wave two broadcasted or like made
I
wave two
yeah, it's in the wave two sprite.
wave two uh over here. I think you would add set wave to two. Yeah, set wave to two.
Hello, where is it?
Oh, there it is, level.
Ah,
So level to two.
uh, to level two.
Okay, and also when the green flag is clicked, set it to level to one. Uh, yeah, yeah. Now, uh, go to go to the enemy sprite. Now, over here, if surround let me create a box here. Surround this with an if condition. Yeah, and
We don't need this.
this is moving it, right?
Yeah.
Oh, in the wave two, you just wanted to shoot.
Huh? Yeah, in the wave two they have to shoot.
Okay, but they will not move.
Yeah.
Make this if else instead.
Okay.
So make this if else and put this in the else. Now in here, if level is equal to two, in operators you can it is
It's lagging badly.
okay. So if level is equal to two, Oops.
What did I do?
What did you do? Oh no. Over here, undo the, like, click this. Just click this. Yeah, stop that. Okay. Now, yeah, get where you go.
Hello? Yeah, it's
So
so lagging badly.
okay, now put this level over here. If level is equal to 2, and drag this into here. We don't create it over there.
What do you mean? Ah, like this?
Yeah, yeah. No, in the no, not in here. Like this up one.
Ah, okay.
Yes. Okay. And 1.5 seconds should be up here. And do we need to add direction if it's always shooting down?
Yeah, it's always shooting down.
Yeah, so I don't think we need to add direction to it. We can remove this.
Ah, okay.
And now go
Wait.
to the bullets. Now let's, okay.
Yeah, I'm coming. I came to the
Now the
bullets, right?
bullets.
And I don't need that pointing
Yeah,
direction.
now we don't need this. Remove this. You can remove this.
I mean, I can when click point in
Now
direction.
point in direction 180. 180 is
Ah,
fall down.
I mean,
And
it can be any direction because it's a circle.
no, we will be moving it, right? So with direction matters. With the move block, direction matters.
Yeah.
So if you go to the code now, when I start as a clone, over here we put when I start as a clone.
Okay. Hello. Please go down. Okay.
Okay. Now drag this out here, and
Like this?
yes, yes. So it
Okay.
go now, instead of this, it should be repeat until, instead of forever, it should be repeat until.
My game is lagging.
The game is stopped, right?
Yeah. I mean, my scratch is very laggy.
Yeah. Okay. Put this out, like, remove the forever and replace it with repeat until. Yeah. Now repeat until touching edge or touching player.
Mm.
Okay.
No.
Yeah.
Hmm?
And now we put move
Go
move
ahead.
like 5 steps or something. Or 5 steps of, like, the speed you wanted. Up there. Up
Now
up.
wait, let me see the speed, how fast it's going. Like
uh,
front layer. And
yeah.
wait, let's see.
If you
Ah,
want it lower,
yeah, it's good. Or maybe I think 4 will be good. Wait, let me. Oh no. What did I do? But let me see if it's a good.
um,
Yeah, four steps is good.
okay, 4 steps. Now at the bottom we delete the clone.
Yeah. But let me first put a if then
Okay.
so that delete this clone
Mm,
and delete this clone.
okay. Put this in here.
Yeah.
This delete this clone, yeah. And actually drag this here. This
What?
touching player, put it here.
Ah.
Because we don't need to check if yeah, like this. And put touching edge in there. Yeah, so that is better. And in here also over here we change player SP by -1. We
Yeah. Change. I actually didn't. Wait.
no
Player dead.
problem. Okay,
I will broadcast player dead. And if touching player broadcast.
player dead or player like decrease damage, decrease HP.
It's a player. I wanted to say player the player damage, but I said player dead slash.
Yeah.
Only that. Only for how do you say?
Also
Wait, can
this
you
we can
even
remove this.
remove this?
Yeah, because we create the clones in the in
Ah,
the enemy
yeah,
sprite. And you want to hide this.
yeah. I can do that.
Over here you hide it there. And also
Let
always
me.
remember to delete all of bullet shooting.
Ah, let me put it here. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
and I forgot after we have set our position, we should all also delete that data so that it doesn't get mistaken for other bullets. Like we drag this here. Like once we have gotten drag like and delete one of yeah, you do this twice. You will have to do this twice. Delete one of bullet shooting and then delete one of bullet shooting again.
Like this.
Yes, because when we delete the first item of bullet shooting, the second item will now be the first item. You understand
Yeah.
that?
Yes.
Now let's run this. Oh,
First, I need to even kill. I didn't change the timing of the level 2. It needs to be 40.
oh yeah. So we're gonna have to play this too.
We just have to wait for only this, then.
Do you know about scratch camp?
What?
Scratch camp every year.
I've never saw that. I've never heard that. You know.
Yes, a scratch camp is is a yearly thing Scratch does. It Scratch camp basically has like it's like you have to create something and then like send it to that studio, Scratch camp studio, and like right now
Yes.
this year's team sent this project to them to the studio.
Ah. Ah, I wanted to hard and you just disturbed. Wave 2.
Oh,
Now the problem is that the enemies.
okay, stop firing. Let's see who the enemy is.
The enemies are literally.
Moving around. I think I know why. Yeah, so this ran is over here outside.
You mean here?
Like the go to pick random, you should drag it up here. Yes, like this. And let's set the level 2 earlier.
What? Level 2?
Yeah, let's make it happen earlier so we don't have to like wait.
Yeah. In the wave 2, if is bigger than. Let's do 5.
Okay. Right, now let's run this.
The enemies are stuck.
The enemies are stuck.
Hello, enemy.
Oh, okay, okay. I mean, like all the way up there,
Your
right?
score is -4.
Seriously? You have
Hey,
to be a
over.
baby.
Yeah?
Okay. Yeah, I think I know. So go to the what's it called? Enemy sprite,
Yeah.
right? So in here, also just duplicate this.
Yeah.
Okay. Now delete these. Like delete and also this.
Yes.
And now we drag this into the else. Yeah, like this. And duplicate this and put it here. Okay. And you can put this over here. And then the forever underneath it. Okay. Now in here, show the enemy sprite.
I need to even put it in the front layer.
Go to front layer. Now,
Yeah.
so drag this and okay, set this to let's see 160.
I literally did perfectly the egg.
Oh wow, that's crazy. Okay, so where does it go to? Enter. Is that fine enough, or you want it a little lower?
I mean, yeah, that's fine enough because it's not touching the edge.
Okay, so over here, make it 160. And now when it becomes level 2, it should go to 160. No, that you can keep it 190. This bottom one, you can keep it 190. Okay, now let's run this. Wave 2.
They're still not running.
Why is that? I think okay. Let's look at what we've made. See what's the
Huh?
problem. Let's look at what we've made and see what's the problem.
Okay, first let's say the code that we made.
Save. I mean,
That when I start as a clone, show if level equals 2, yes. Then go to pick random.
so this looks like it should be working. Something must be wrong in the what's the other script.
Maybe that's because you put the else.
No, the else would make it start gliding. If this worked, then this should work. Because they both are like if level is equal to 2, then this should happen, else this should happen. Go to the bullets. Oh, you can put this back. Now let's go to the bullets. The enemy bullet.
The enemy bullet?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Let's see
you
what's
go.
wrong here. So when I start as a clone, we go to X1, Y2, delete 1, delete 1, repeat and maybe make it go to front layer. Yay.
Here?
Yeah. And let us show the what's it called, the enemy, the bullet shooting.
Wait. When I start as a clone, it
Hmm.
even need to be shown.
Ah, that's the problem we had. Yes, that should be the problem. Okay, let's run this now.
Is there a camera? Help! It's a
Okay,
lava!
it's working.
I mean, it's lava.
Yeah, it's just pouring lava. Uh, so you want so to make it like shoot like bullets much more slowly. We can do like something. We can
Your
use
score is 1.
This is disaster.
Okay.
they're harder than the boss fight. Okay. To fix
And
this,
the enemy I did.
no. This is and the enemy. It's all fine. The thing is, no. The enemy is actually the problem. So go to variables. We'll create a fire rate variable, so it does not shoot constantly. So make a variable fire rate for this sprite only. For this sprite only. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
And
What
surround
is this enemy sprite? Okay.
now
Only enemy.
over
We
here.
only need enemy.
Surround this with if fire rate is greater than 30.
Is greater than 30?
Yes. Okay. If fire rate is greater than 30. And also over here set fire rate to 0. Yeah, up here. So set fire rate to 0. And
Yes.
over here change fire rate by 1.
And the else? In the else or out of the
Uh,
else?
Out over here, yeah, out of the else.
Okay.
Just under the second if condition. Yes, like this. And change fire rate by 1.
Yeah.
Okay. Now when the green flag is clicked, where is like you have when green flag clicked, right? Over
Yes.
here, set fire rate to 0.
I'll just put in a new one.
Okay.
My scratch is lagging.
Yeah, I think you might have to reload the page after this. Okay, let's test this right now.
Mine pings. My pings are 98.
90. Oh, that's not much.
Oh yeah.
I've played Minecraft games with like I've played on some Minecraft servers with like 200 ping.
I
That's not
play on a. I mean, it's much better, but they're still not moving.
okay, so now it is better. That's a lot. Okay, so you have any more problems or you want it differently a bit?
I mean, yeah, it's good. I will try to make the code that they like, they glide. This is the only position that I can stay. All there
You can
are.
turn. You can
No!
turn.
Ah!
Fire, fire,
Your
fire,
score
fire,
is
fire, fire.
1.
This is disaster.
Ah, yes, fire. I need fire.
You can fire in the game, right? Okay.
Maybe
So
you don't need an else.
what do you mean?
Whoa! What happened to this?
Yeah, what happened to
You
him?
see the bottom?
Yeah, what's going on?
Look like little ants that they want food. Like it's
Yeah.
like a catch game. Yeah.
Okay,
Die.
let's fix this.
Leave me alone.
Let's fix this problem down there.
Ah, stronger bullets. I
Are the
mean,
bullets actually stronger or are they just effect?
okay. The bullets are coming from nowhere.
I mean,
This is way harder now.
oh, I think I know why. Okay, I
Your
like
score is 20.
Yes.
let's fix the two problems we saw here. So the first problem was the enemies, they were just sticking down there.
They were
Let's
sticking down there and catching, and they wanted lives to go up. Yeah, that was what they were doing.
yeah. I think the lives were going up.
No, no, the lives are coming down too. So when I get them, the my health increases.
Okay. So I think this should be repeat until touching. No, just at the bottom. Like go down here and the else over here at the bottom here, delete this clone. So after it has glided down to the bottom, we just delete it. Yeah, like that.
Yeah.
Yes. And now the second problem was they were still firing even though they're deleted.
Yeah.
Can you go up? Is this like when I receive the boss incoming or something like that, we delete this. We like is there like a variable of boss active or something?
Yeah. Yes. A boss active. Yes, I remember.
So
I need to go to the bullet when it is if boss active equals 0, then
yeah, like if boss active like no, I think the okay in here in this when I receive boss incoming or you have like some okay that's like when I start as a clone forever if boss active is equal to 1 and no I don't think you added in here no not here just make a new one don't delete 16 blocks okay when a new like when I start as a clone a new one like go down
yes.
here when I start as a clone drag this when I start
Ah,
as a clone
yeah.
so uh forever if boss active is equal to 1 delete this clone if boss active equal to 1 yes like this
No,
and
but don't I
that is
need a if else block? Because if boss active equals 1, then do else, then create clone of myself. Or no?
no because this
Ah,
what this
yes, they're already coming from
yeah
the enemy.
like this is just
Yes, but I put up forever. That means they will. Ah,
like this is
okay.
just forever it is just constantly checking if the boss has came or not if it has
Yes,
come then it just deletes itself
yes.
so
Then
delete this clone.
delete.
And now in the enemy sprite we should also delete all clones there inside the forever
Yes,
and
yes. This one.
we can put an I think no over here surround everything inside this with surround like okay yeah here So surround all this with an if condition, if else condition, if else condition. So yes,
If
yeah, no, like, no, 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 not like this, not like this. The other way around. Uh, you drag this out.
yeah,
Now, everything inside the forever loop should
yeah.
be surrounded in this spot.
Yeah, I put it here.
No, no, no. Like the forever, okay. Just put it down here. Drag all this into here,
Ah, okay.
and now put and surround this entire if condition with forever, and you can put it back.
Yeah.
Now, just duplicate. Whoops. Duplicate this and put it here, and change this to if is boss active is equal to 0, is equal to 0, and then do this, else delete the clone.
Delete this clone.
Yes. Okay. Now let's run this.
I don't need to.
Ooh, nice. Okay. Now wave 2 should come now. Or now.
Okay. Let me see when the boss comes if they still. I'm almost at the boss actually.
Boss is at 20 score.
Yes. I mean, I'm actually almost there.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, 20.
Okay, now it is. Oh, you missed it. Now you're going to have to deal with it. Without.
Okay, nice. My. Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
Yes, but only that they don't glide. I think you don't need an else.
Hmm?
That's what I think.
What do you mean?
In this, I think you don't need the gliding.
This what this does is for the level 1 enemies, they will still do the same thing from going from the top to the bottom. That's what this is doing.
Okay.
Okay. So should I now I should end this meeting? Let me stop the recording.
Yeah.